Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure your browser or Google app is updated and sign in if you want settings to sync. Open Google, Com on desktop, or launch the Google app on mobile. Once the page loads, locate Settings. On desktop, it's bottom right or under the three-line menu. In the app, tap More or Your Profile, then Settings. These are the entry points that let you change appearance. Do this first, because the site and app controls are the cleanest way to get a true dark theme. Now change appearance. On desktop, open Settings, choose Search Settings, then Appearance and pick Dark, apply and save. On the Google app, go to More or Your Profile, tap Settings, then Theme or General and select Dark. Once done, make sure to refresh the page so the site applies the palette. If a full site dark is missing, enable your browser's dark mode, or for Chrome, use the experimental flag to force dark pages. This works as a fallback to convert light elements into darker tones. Finish by refreshing and checking that Google. Com now shows a black background and muted text. Make sure appearance is saved in your account settings if you want sync across devices. If the theme won't stick, clear cache and cookies, disable theme or color-related extensions, then relaunch. Once done, test an incognito or a second browser. This isolates extension or cache problems. If that works, re-enable extensions one at a time to find the culprit. Otherwise, reset browser settings and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.